Still got 5 minutes left in this second period. What a terrific period it's been. We've had 6 goals. Still Portugal yet to lead. Amarelli trying to do a Belchior. And then Torres trying the scissor kick, and he's caught the Portuguese player. Oh, goodness me. Oh, that is a horrific injury. Oh, my goodness. Well, I hope you didn't see that. The camera's panned away from it, but he's taken a kick and, oh, does look as though his knee is sticking out. Oh, that is horrendous. That is absolutely horrendous. And Javi Torres, the player who's done it, is absolutely distraught. He is absolutely distraught because that is an awful, awful injury. Well, you don't see too many serious injuries in beach soccer, but this most certainly is. This is a dreadful moment. His knee is complete. That was just absolutely horrendous. It's the worst injury I've seen in, what, 4 or 5 years now of covering beach soccer. You can see all the players' thoughts are on just one thing, and Javi Torres, there's nothing you can say to him, really. Sympathetic applause. But that is a very serious injury, either to the shin bone or the knee. It looked like the knee had just been kicked completely out of the joint. Oh, there's where the incident happened. Oh.